Good morning, everyone. I'm feeling much better today. I still have a little bit of a stuffed up nose, but my throat doesn't hurt, which is amazing, because that sucks. Lily doesn't appear to be sick at all. She is actually eating, these are her last two pieces, some toast sticks with vegetable puree on it. It's like mixed vegetables, and she really likes it. She's eaten quite a bit. There's 2 sticks on the ground. But I gave her 2 pieces of toast, which is a total of 8 sticks. So, she's eaten quite a bit. Are you done? No, it looks like you're staring on the toast that's on my lap. Do you want more? You might be done. But, yeah, I'm about to edit some videos. And yeah, I never went to Dollar General yesterday, so I'll probably do that today to get dish soap and stuff so I can do the dishes. And yeah. Alright, it is just after 4, and me and Lily are headed to the store. We've had a very uneventful day today. Just been editing videos and catching up on other people's vlogs, because, as you know, we weren't watching vlogs for like 3 weeks. Whoops, wrong button. So we were doing that, and then she fell asleep on me, and I didn't want to wake her up, so I didn't. But she's in this cute little outfit from somebody that I used to work with that has little ears, and it's just a full onesie. It has little mittens, and it's footed. And she's in that, and we are going to go to Dollar General and get some stuff so we can clean up the kitchen, because we're out of dish soap and dishwasher soap, and I kind of need both of those to do the dishes. So we're gonna head over there and then come back home. Say bye. See you in a little bit. See you in a little bit. So we're home from Dollar General. Lily just had a bottle. Yeah. I bought more than I intended to at Dollar General, because when we got there, all of their Christmas stuff was outside for 10 cents an item. So I bought $1.20 worth of stuff, mostly just some like Christmas cards and like gift tags and gift boxes for next year. So yeah. So she just had a bottle. I'm gonna try to get her to take a nap. You ready for a nap? You cutie with your little ears. Everybody in the store thought she was so adorable with her little poo thing on, because it has poo on the front and it says, "Let's cuddle." But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to get her down for a nap. Andy should be leaving work soon. And yeah, it's 5:45. And then I'll start dinner whenever he leaves, even though it's like easy stuff, rubbing pizza ravioli. Unless he changes his mind before he calls me. Cutie. What were you just saying? Were you saying Dada? Lily. Say Dada. Say Dada. What was that? What was that noise? What is that noise? Again.
I'm home, and Lily's eating the mum. She already ate one, and I couldn't find any remnants of it. I'm pretty sure it all went into her belly.
I'm making dinner.
She's making dinner back there. See, there she is. And yeah, we missed the 100s from last week, because somebody told me that it didn't come on last week. That would have been her, back there. Her, right there. Make up stories about shows not coming on.
I didn't know.
So, we have to watch last week's episode, and then we have to watch this week's episode when it comes on. And we need to start watching that soon, because it's like 7:30, and it comes on at 9. So, yeah.
We're waiting for the pasta to be done boiling.
Pasta! Pasta fiesta time.
You're dumb.
Pasta fiesta.
I was dancing for Lily. She thought it was funny. Alright, so it's not that late again, but we are going to go get in the bed and watch a movie because that was a good idea last night. And Lily's sleepy. So I'm sleepy. So good night, guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye!